Hello, my name is Sambo Chun. Today, throughout this video, I'm going to talk about three things: my academic background, why I'm applying for this scholarship, and a little bit about my hobbies. During my life, I was studying in three countries: China, Japan, and Singapore. Therefore, I'm able to speak three languages and use them to learn academic knowledges. Not only about this, I'm also very passionate in studying about social issues such as pension system in an aging society. This is because I was able to think one issue from different perspective, as I was studying in three different countries. Also, I could get many opinions from my friends all over the world, which excited me a lot. Next, I'm going to talk why I'm applying for this scholarship. I was born in a middle-class family. However, I'm facing a financial problem as I have two brothers and one of them is studying in the United States. But I still do not want to give up my education in university. Also, I'm planning to study actuarial science, which is known as an expensive study. My future target is to study actuarial science and work in Asian insurance industry to bring some benefit to this society. I strongly believe that I can be one of the actuaries who can lead the industry to step further. So I chose the AFLSP pool. Finally, I want to talk a little about my hobbies, which is sports. I'm able to play most kind of sports in a certain level, especially about American football. I was a sub-captain of my team, and we got the second place in Western Japanese High School Football League. Throughout this experience, I was able to learn what is leadership and the importance of strategies and decision making based on actual data. I believe those are in common with most of the things in our daily life. Entire experience during my life made me a thoughtful person with wide perspective. Thank you for giving me the chance to apply for the AFLSP pool, and I wish I can get some support to finish my education and do a good job in the future. Thank you for listening.